this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on your autoplay feature on your Disney Plus app. So it's very easy to do, and that will help you just keep watching episodes of whatever series that you're watching. That way you don't have to physically hit next episode. You don't have to go back and keep clicking the episodes. So it's very easy to do. So go ahead and open up your Disney Plus app, and then go to the bottom right-hand corner where you see your profile picture, and you're just going to select Edit Profiles. So we're going to pick this profile here on the right side. And what you want to do here is scroll down until you see where it says Autoplay. See it toggled off. Enabling it allows for the next video in a series to play automatically. So we're going to turn that on, and it updated, and it's going to save. And then we hit done, and that's it. That is the only thing you have to do to make sure that the autoplay feature is on so you can keep watching what you want to watch. So that's it. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.